All right, so the next thing we need to learn about is how to handle remainders. And Python has an awesome operator called Modulo. It's the percent sign, but I want to show you this. And this is a very handy tool. So now I'm going to explain this the way that it took me to figure it out. So it is what is left over after you take this and you divide it by this. So if I have 3 and I divide it by 2, what is our remainder? It's 1. So if I have 5 and I divide it by 3, 3 goes in one time and the remainder is 2. So this is a very, very powerful tool. So our next experience is, how can we find out if something is an odd or an even number? The way that I want you to think about programming is, can you explain it to a 5-year-old? If you can explain it to a 5-year-old, where you can write it as a program. So let's look at this. So an even number is a number that is divisible by 2 with a remainder that goes in evenly. So we're going to start there. So 4 divided by 2, it's evenly divided, right? So another way to put this, for the tools that we have so far, is a number divided by 2 with a remainder of 0. Okay, so now how can we write this? So I have x, and it is equal to 3. So if x modulo 2 equal 0, all right, so let's jump back over here. So we're slowly merging and putting everything we know all together. So I have 4 modulo 2, 0. Just like I showed you how we took help on a certain object and that returned a list, Python does not care what this is. It understands that it returns 0. So this is a completely legal statement. So I will show you long form right here. Just like this. True. Python understands it, of course. This is 0. And it understands that this is 0s too. And we're testing the equivalency. Is 4 modulo 2 equivalent to 0? And of course the answer is true. So now we print even. Else we print odd. So now let's check a couple of these. Odd. All right, let's change this to x equals 4, then x equals 5. So we comment that out. So now we run that. It's even. Comment, uncomment, odd. Very, very, very cool stuff. So this is how we build and we expand our knowledge and our understanding. And this is a fantastic tool for us to understand how to take information, make a decision, and have something happen. So, all right, there we go. See you next video.